Now this is how you eat watermelon. This is what you call a crunch wrap. If I had one word to describe this, it would just be wow. Start by sauteing an onion and then add black beans and taco seasoning. Grab a large tortilla and it's time to layer it up. I'm using chipotle mayo, beans, cheese, corn chips for the crunch. Top with guac, tomato, jalapenos and lettuce. Place a small tortilla on top and tightly fold the sides up to seal it closed. Now pan fry for a few minutes on each side till it's golden brown. Now
Hello, hello! How to stir fry any leafy vegetables. First, drop your veggie in a hot, dry wok. Stir fry until all wilted. Then put on the side. Heat the wok again. Remember hot wok and cold oil. Also Sichuan peppercorns, some dry peppers. Now we roast them. Garlic. Veggie back in. Cook on high heat. Be careful. I tell you be careful, then I drop the food. Here for you. Try one. So crunchy.
let's make my shiitake and dumpling soup. This has to be my most requested recipe and you guys will freak out when you see how easy it is. First saute an onion and then add some garlic and ginger. Add some beautiful shiitake mushrooms with some sesame oil and let them brown. Pour in your veggie stock, some soy sauce and let it simmer for 15 minutes. By now your house will be smelling amazing. It's time to add bok choy, some enoki mushrooms and of course your favorite dumplings. Top with spring onions and enjoy your bowl of goodness.
Today we're making something so sour, you're gonna be making this face. Ah! Orange juice, water, citric acid, taste. Gelatin packet, form it, and mix until smooth. In a smaller pot, mix water and sugar, and heat until it reaches 300 degrees. Add to the orange juice and stir till it's gelatinous. In a glass dish, add parchment paper and pour in the gelatin mix. And let cool for 2 hours. Whoa, that's wiggly. Grease up your blade and cut into cubes. Add to a bowl and coat with sugar and citric acid. Toss them around till they're fully coated. Oh my god, I think those out.
Black garlic and beef. You are in for a treat today. Chop beef in cubes like this. Marinate with cooking wine, bit of salt, just 1 egg white, and cooking oil. Marinate for 15 minutes. Peel it first. Peel off garlic, it smells like heaven. Oh, cut a half bell pepper. Just half. Ooh, who's gonna cry? Cooking oil, hot wok. Add marinated beef in hot oil. Quickly stir fry. When you don't see any pink outside, about 1 minute, take the beef out. Some more cooking oil. Add our black garlic, purple onions, bell peppers, green onions, Sichuan peppercorn, some shiitake mushrooms, back in, soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. Cooking wine, salt to taste. All very quick. You don't want to overcook the beef. Hello, hello, black garlic beef.
So juicy.
This is so easy and will totally elevate your dishes to a gourmet level. Let's make pickled onions. Rice vinegar. Grab a jar. You can get these on Amazon. 1 cup rice vinegar. Don't make a mess. 1 cup cold water. Add to the vinegar. 1/4 cup sugar. Cuts the acid. 1 tablespoon kosher salt. 1.5 tablespoons peppercorns. Shake. Nip the root, sliced. Jam them in. Don't overstuff it. Shake it. Store into the refrigerator up to a week. Top it on burgers, salads, sandwiches, gyros, even my koftas.
The other day, me and my boy Mike, we were surfing the web and found this soy sauce brownie. At first I thought, yo. And then I thought, you don't know, you don't know, you know?
I am confused.
Start by adding melted butter and chocolate chips, 2 eggs, brown sugar, vanilla, and 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. We'll load up the AK and mix. In another bowl, adding almond meal, cocoa powder, and baking powder. And mix that shit. Pour in the dry ingredients and mix till it looks like this. Do a trick shot with your blicky, add parchment paper, pour in the batter, and smack till even. And bake at 350 for 25 minutes. Ta-da! And top with ice cream. Now that is a pretty brownie. That's surprisingly good. You can't even taste the soy sauce. Mike, let me know how it is.
That is most certainly busting.
These 5-ingredient mocha truffles are the perfect treat. I mean, look at that ganache in the middle. Of course, we'll need some chocolate, and then I'm adding Nestle's plant-based condensed milk. Once it's all melty, add a dash of coffee and vanilla with a pinch of salt. Now let it set in the fridge for about 45 minutes. Scoop a spoon out and roll them into balls. Dust with cocoa powder and try not to eat them all at once.
Wholly uncrustable, going in, to the oil, straight into the shug. That's the best thing I've ever made.
Welcome to Bussin' or Not, where I try this recipe so you don't have to.
Very nice. Home run. Nice cut.
That boy's crispy. Certified bussin'.
Since you all love my hash brown toasty, this sandwich is another level. While your hash browns are cooking, caramelize an onion and then scramble an egg. Make sure your hash browns are super crispy and then pick the prettiest avo. Stack it up with tomato, your onions, the egg, and of course your favorite sauce. Place on its lid and then dig into the tastiest breakfast sandwich. Crispy 3-ingredient spinach and cheese triangles. These are the best snack and so easy to make. Start with frozen spinach and press all the liquid out. Add feta cheese, season and mix together. Next, cut a puff pastry sheet into 4 pieces. Add some filling to each half and then fold the top over like a triangle shape. This is optional, but I've sprayed with oil and topped with sesame seeds. Seal them up and bake for 15 minutes. And then you get...
Today we start with cutting some strawberries, make something delicious. And there's a special way to cut grapes so fast. Put a plate on top, just one cut. Hello, today we make this fancy yogurt treat. Then some wax paper, lay on the bottom of the pan, scoop yogurt in the pan. Now it's time to put some strawberries on, Oreos on top, and the Lucky Charms. Stay in the freezer for 3 hours. You can have it as snack or breakfast. Have you ever seen a fish that looks like a peacock? Here first, we cut the head off. Hello, we're making this peacock fish. You can use some sharp scissors too. Like this. Marinate with some cooking wine and salt. On a plate, put the ginger pieces. Now we're ready for the steamer. 8 to 10 minutes. Make the sauce for the fish. You put garlic. If you see someone with a huge soy sauce bottle and measuring with her Chinese eyeballs, then you can totally trust her. Some red pepper. Thank you to watch this far with me. 我们下次再见。
I can't eat another cookie. You're gonna eat another cookie and you're gonna no like it. Correct. 3 eggs, keep the whites and save the yolks for the best dog in the world. Nice work out. Adding cream of tartar and salt. Load up the chopper and just beat it until stiff peaks form. While mixing, slowly add in the sugar and mix for 4 minutes. It should come out creamy. Get out of here! Add vanilla, mix, then add in chocolate chips and fold in. Bam! Add a spoonful of cookies onto the baking tray, then top with chocolate chips and bake at 250 for 30 minutes. Look at the swirly-dirly on this. That's excellent. Don't say that again.
Which one is iceberg lettuce? Which one is cabbage? Most people cannot tell the difference. And which one is a healthier option for you? This is Chinese flat cabbage. This is the iceberg lettuce. They are totally different vegetable. Crunchier texture and watery. Cabbage has tougher texture, holds well in cooking such as stir frying, boiling. Iceberg lettuce not doing well in cooking, so you usually use them in salad or garnish or in a burger. Cabbage has more vitamins, fiber, nutrients than lettuce. The winner is cabbage.
Pasta into chips? How can something so wrong taste so good? Start by boiling your pasta and add olive oil and your favorite seasoning. I've used oregano, garlic powder, chili flakes, and of course Parmigiano cheese. Mix and pop in your air fryer for 10 to 12 minutes. They come out so golden and crispy, perfect to dip in your favorite sauce.
Hello. The most mouth-tingling popcorn in my Chinese way. Hot wok, quarter cup oil. A spoon Sichuan peppercorn. Let the peppercorn roast for 30 seconds. Take the peppercorn out. They are easy to burn. Now we add quarter cup corn. Close the lid on high heat. To make the caramel sauce, we add water and sugar until bubbles. We add butter in there. Until you see the caramel color, we mix everything together. My circus has something to say.
That was gonna be blue.
This is best breakfast with Nathan's hot dog. Watch carefully.
What?
Hello, hello. This is a perfect, easy breakfast to share with family and friends. First, we squeeze the water out of potatoes, then 2 eggs. Add some salt and pepper. Fry the dogs, then we make the potato pancake with eggs poured in. Add the dogs back on with some of your favorite cheese. Let's fold this. Squeeze some Japanese mayonnaise.
We're making supreme tater tots. Stove, lighted, pot, oil, hot, warming. They should come out golden, like David Hasselhoff. No. Immediately hit them with salt and pour into a bowl. Beef, throw into the pan. Chop, water, taco seasoning. Nice. Add it. Cheddar, smack it. Grater, grate it. Reveal. Ta-da. Add it. Torch it. Salsa. Spin, open. It's leaking. Add it. Jalapeno.
Nice job, Naruto.
Add it. Onion. Chop it. Add it. Avocado. Mash it. Top it. Sour cream. Open. Show it off. Add it. Scallions. Slice them. Add it.
Great job.
These tots are tantalizing.